Hi guys, my name is Donnie and welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a couple of weeks since I last posted, but there's been a lot of exciting things happening on my channel that I'm going to tell you guys all about. Let me just show you quickly. If I just take this camera out, I've got this project that I've got lined up, and if you guys know what that wheel is, you'll know what this car is all about. But I'm going to tell you all about that in the next video. But in this video today, we're going to start working on the Messerschmitt. And what I'm going to do first on the Messerschmitt, is I want to fabricate those fenders that I do not have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install that chassis, that body on this frame so that I can have maneuverability and better access. And then I'm going to take that nose cone and mount it on that body permanently, semi-permanently, and then I can move that into my workshop. Let's do it. Okay guys, so now that I have finished fitting this nose to the body, I can start by doing these fenders. I'm gonna be making a stencil using CAD. CAD obviously standing for cardboard assisted drawing, and then I can start bending my buck out of 6mm round bar, and then I can start making it out of aluminium. So let's get going. Okay guys, so now that I've already made these templates for the buck that I'm gonna build, I'm gonna start bending my buck from this 6mm rod. I've made this template that's gonna be the outermost part of this fender, and I've had a very kind owner give me the opportunity to go and measure his Messerschmitt so that I can make sure that the offset of this fender is exactly in the right position. Because I do not have these wheels in place yet, I would not have been able to know exactly where it needs to go. I'll just pause this one. Hello guys, I just want to show you quickly how I'm going to be forming this 6mm rod. I made myself this very simple bending tool by just taking a piece of flat bar, drilling 2 holes into it, and then taking 2 12mm scrap pieces of rod and putting it through there, and I just tacked them on to this flat bar, and then I can just put it in my vice grip and tighten it, and that becomes a very handy little bending tool that I can use to bend these rods into position so that it'll take that form. I'm also going to use my hands just to manipulate it to bend into these shapes. So I'm going to make this one for the fender inner part and this one for the wheel well. I'm going to make 2 because I'm going to make a left and right hand side, and then I'm going to start putting the metal pieces in between to form the cage. So let's see how that goes. Okay guys, there we go. I've made these two bucks. This is exciting. It's starting to feel like a project once again. Now I can use these bucks as a shape to start making my aluminium fenders on both sides, so it's nice and sturdy. I can work on this one, then swap it around, do the other side, and we're going to do that in the next video. I'm going to show you how I do the aluminium work or make these bends, the compound bends on these fenders. But once again guys, I am not calling this a how-to video, but rather a how-I video, because there are many people that are artists in this industry, professionals that's been doing it for 30, 40, 50 years, like Wray from Wray Schelin. I mean, I follow these guys, I watch all the videos, and I love what they do. They are much better than I am at doing this, but this is how I do it, and I'm constantly learning to getting it better, but this is how I do it. And let's see if I'm going to be able to make these fenders out of aluminium with my English wheel that I'm going to have to clean properly, and some of the hand tools that I use, and I'm going to do that in the next video. But guys, this is looking awesome, and I'm looking forward to finishing this little Messerschmitt. Any case guys, thanks for joining me on this video. I understand that sometimes it is a bit challenging to get going on a project mentally, and I hope that something like this will inspire you if you've got a project lined up or you're wanting to do something like this. But I hope to see you guys in the next video so we can start making these fenders, finishing the fenders, doing the bodywork on this little Messerschmitt, and get it running. Anyways, see you next time. Cheers!